Thinking about starting or restarting a fitness routine can feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. In this video, I'll go over some challenges of starting a routine and offer some solutions so that it's a more approachable, enjoyable, and most importantly, a helpful part of your life. Before we dive into the how-tos, it's important to define what fitness is and is not. Simply put, physical fitness is your body's ability to efficiently and effectively perform tasks. Fitness is not about how you look or a number on a scale. Because no two people have the same body or perform the same tasks, fitness is highly individual. Put another way, fitness is about having enough strength and stamina to do the things that matter most to you. The foundation of a sustainable fitness practice is consistency. This means showing up at least 80% of the time. To achieve this, keep your commitment really simple. Just a few minutes several times a week is a great start. The duration and frequency of the activity are not important at this point. The most important thing is the showing up. This establishes a fitness container, a time reserved specifically for movement. So create a schedule that is reasonable and sustainable for you and put it in your calendar. Honor this appointment like you would honor any other important appointment. If the most important piece of starting a fitness routine is consistency, then the second most important piece is finding movement that you're willing and able to do. When it comes to choosing an activity, it's best to start with unstructured movement. You can do structured exercise, but you don't have to. Basically, choose any activity that gets you moving with the least amount of fuss. This could be something like walking, stretching, gardening, or even dancing to your favorite song. The aim here is to make moving regularly as easy as possible. And if you simply want to move more, you can achieve your goal simply by pairing this recommendation with the previous one. And if you want to move even more, you can gradually adjust the variables of duration, frequency, and intensity to suit your preferences. Once you've made a routine out of regularly showing up for your movement practice, it will be much easier to introduce structured exercise into your routine if you have goals beyond becoming more active. You may want the stress-relieving, mood-boosting benefits you can get from taking yoga classes or swimming laps in a pool. Or if you want to perform certain tasks with more ease and efficiency, you could easily transition to a training program designed for your specific fitness goal. This is where you would introduce mobility, endurance, and strength work into your routine. The more specific your goal is, the more necessary it is to include thoughtfully chosen exercises that consider your body, fitness level, schedule, and goal. This is how you make sustainable progress over time. And if you're feeling any resistance to starting an exercise program, this is great information. This is usually a sign that there's something about the plan you're considering that needs some adjustments. One example is environment. Maybe the gym that you're thinking about joining feels overcrowded or unwelcoming. In this case, you could consider alternative spaces, such as private studios, parks, community recreation centers, or even your living room. Exercise can take place in pretty much any location that you feel comfortable. Another area where resistance may show up is around misaligned fitness goals. If a program is focused on weight loss and high-intensity cardio, it won't be a good fit for you if your goal is to increase strength and reduce injury risk. Or if you know you can only train 2 days a week, but the program you're considering is designed for 5 days a week, not only would you be frustrated following this program, but it could also increase the risk of injury. The fitness program or class should accommodate your body and goals, not the other way around. And sometimes resistance is just our body's way of saying not yet. If at any point structured exercise doesn't feel right for you, don't push it. Continue nurturing your relationship with movement until you're ready to try again. To recap, here are my recommendations for starting or restarting a fitness routine without overwhelm. First, make a schedule that you can reasonably and sustainably commit to. Then, pick an activity you enjoy and can do right now. Then you can transition to exercise or a fitness program that caters to your goal. Finally, validate any feelings of resistance that may come up around exercise. Consider if making adjustments could help lessen or eliminate these feelings. And remember that it's perfectly okay to give yourself more time to get comfortable with movement. I believe that fitness is a highly personalized, dynamic, long-term practice, not a one-size-fits-all fixed 30-day challenge. If you're somebody who lacks the time, skill, or desire to navigate this journey alone, Guidance and support are available. If you would like to learn how we can collaborate on creating a personalized fitness training program that feels good to you, I encourage you to check out the description box below for more information. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more weight-neutral fitness content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!